Sizzling beef with bell pepper. Ingredients: a half lound rump steak, slices against the grain. 3½ tablespoons vegetable oil. A half onion, thickly sliced. 1 green or red pepper, julienne. 1 tablespoons cracked black peppercorns. 2 slices ginger, finely diced. 1 clove garlic, finely diced. 3 tablespoon oyster sauce. A ½ tablespoon corn flour. Marinade. 2 teaspoon finely diced ginger. Pinch of salt. A ½ teaspoon granulated sugar. A ½ teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. 1½ tablespoon corn flour. A ½ tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon rice wine. Directions: put the beef into a medium bowl, add the marinade ingredients and 4 tablespoons water and mix well. Cover and chill for at least 4 hours. If you are using a sizzling hot plate, preheat the oven to 200°C/400°F/gas mark 6 and put in the hot plate 30 minutes before you begin cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a wok or a large frying pan with high sides over a high heat. Add the onions and stir fry for 1 minute, or until they have softened slightly. Add the green pepper and stir fry for another minute. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon water and stir fry for 2 minutes until the peppers are cooked but still crunchy. Remove the onions and green pepper and set aside. Reduce the heat to low. Mix the corn flour and 3 tablespoons water into a slurry, then stir it into the wok. Increase the heat and toss everything for 1 minute, or until the sauce is